or which can be eaten? So many are raising the hands. Only Nevin is not.
Ma'am, carrot, beetroot.
Yes, carrot, beetroot. Very good, very good.
Carrot,
Petra?
beetroot, turnip, radish.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can
okay,
I
okay.
say?
Bedra, can you tell me other edible parts? Flower and root we have said. Okay, what about other edible three parts?
Stem.
Stem,
Leaves. Stem,
Fruit.
seed, stem,
Flower, leaves, fruits, leaves, stem, roots, and seeds.
stem, roots,
Seeds.
Friend,
Seeds.
stop. Everyone stop it. Everyone stop it. I did not want chorus answers, correct? During the classroom, if I ask you someone, you have to answer only that. If everyone answer, what will happen? Lot of sound. And you see, I have only one headset, my only 1 ear, and we are not in the class, correct? We are in virtual classroom. When you virtual classroom from different places, your signal will be coming. Yeah, the way you talk, no, that will come in. When everyone tell what happened to my ear, I will get a pain. Okay. That's what I'm telling you to those who ask. In the school, no problem. You are in the classroom, even everyone answer. It's okay because the sound is spreading everywhere. Now, what is happening? We are in virtual classroom. All this 24, 27 students, sound will come to my ear and I will get ear pain. Understood? Okay. Jalen, Adilashmi, everyone mute it. Okay, everyone mute it. Clear? Yeah. See, some of the students not switching on the video. So I cannot see your face. That's why I'm not asking you questions. Sometimes I cannot see your face. Sometimes I ask your friend, by looking at your face, I know that you have studied, you are attentive in the class. So I know that you will give me answer. If you don't listen to the classes, you switch off the video and sit, how will I know everyone studies? Okay. Yes, Devanand? Okay, Devananda. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, children. So we have studied all this. So all these parts is a part of plants. Clear? This all we are studying about parts of the plants which give us food, and there are mainly 6 parts which is edible. Now we are going to see the animal products. Everyone knows the animal products, correct? Jalin, give me animal products. Animal products name, which we...
milk.
Who is, this is Jalin or someone else is speaking? I asked Jalin. Jalin will give me answer.
Ghee.
Ghee. Okay, very good, Jalin. Helen Chitto. You are so silent.
Yes, ma'am.
Helen, give me some animal product which we usually have.
Milk.
Milk. Okay, very good. Irene, give me another animal product.
Ma'am, Shaju came now.
Oh, okay, fine. Bilsa?
Ma'am, egg.
Egg. Okay, egg. Okay. Now, I will ask Faiz. Faiz, you just now came. Faiz?
Ma'am, was here.
You are here.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can Anupama tell, please?
Anupama,
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Hello.
I am back because someone was asking something. That's why. Okay. So, Anupama, can you tell me now? Because Anupama wanted to tell. Anupama, can you tell me out of meat, what are the products usually we buy and eat? Meat means any chicken meat or whatever it is.
Fish, pig.
Fish.
Pig.
Then what else?
Goat.
Goat. Okay. All this. What are the things we make out of goat, fish? No. I'll tell you. Whatever I tell you, only you should write. Okay, children? Okay. Because already I have I am already made your question answers. After one more period I have. After that, I will send that question answers PDF to you. That should be written on the ruled sheets. Okay? I will be sending after I have one more period, one more class. Today, after one more class, by 12:30, 1 o'clock, I will be sending you the question answers. You have to copy that in ruled sheets. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who was asking? Anubama. Anubama was asking. Okay.
Ma'am, is there cheese?
Cheese, butter,
Honey.
honey, yeah, honey, eggs. Yes, yeah. Okay, children. So apart from this, everyone knows very simple thing. Now we also know that spices also a part of a planned product. It is a special planned product. Okay, we cannot call the spices. We cannot call the spices.
Turmeric.
Yes, all these are have common name. Another type of food product, what we are learning separately is the spices. Okay, so you can write some of this. I will just show it to you what you have to write. 1 minute. Let me make it big, this one. Then I'll tell you what to write. So next heading, next point, you can write spices. Write the heading. Because animal products everyone knows. Correct? So, yes, wait. Let me make it big, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, is salt made up? I don't write this full sentences.
No, from the ocean.
Which one? Salt.
Ma'am, the salt.
Salt we are getting from ocean, okay? From the water.
From where we write that?
It's an ingredient, but salt, it's not, we are not getting from the plants. It is from the sea water. Sea water has a salty taste because salt is a mineral. Salt is just like a mineral. We are getting from the sea water because sea water tastes salty. And what we do, we make a salt field. Okay, we make a salt field. The people who is making salt, who is cleaning the salt and polishing and sending to, we are buying the polished salt in white in color. Actually, salt is not in white. It is very dirty color actually when you get the salt really. But the companies will put some color and they will polish it and clean it and they will make it in the packet. Now, what we do means, there are some of the places we don't make paddy field. We don't make the paddy field. Some of the places which is close to the river and some of the paddy field, they are not good for cultivating the paddy, I mean to rice. So these places, what they do, they will make it a dam like a small pond like structure. And what they do, they fill the seawater into it. So just like a tank in that field, we will fill the salt water. We make a pond like a structure and we will fill the seawater into it. And what will happen means, as months go by, there should be a sunlight. We can make the salt only where the places we get a lot of sun. So what will happen when the sunlight is falling? What happened to this water? What happened to the water? Water will be evaporated.
Start to reduce.
Yes,
Right.
reduce. So water will get evaporated, and after getting evaporated, finally, as months pass by, finally what will happen? Only the salt will remain in that field, and it will be very dirty actually. So the people, those who make a salt, they will collect all that salt and they will take that salt into the company industry.
Ma'am, we should write first onwards.
No, I'll tell you. Let me explain this, then I'll tell you to write. Okay, so we will get, after water get evaporated, you will get salt crystal. That will be carried to the salt factories and they will clean it, make it powder, make it small crystal, and it will be sent to the shops for us. So this is how we are making salt. Apart from the salt, all other things we are getting from the plants. Clear? So you can write now spices. So write the heading spices. You have to write the first sentences onwards. Okay. What is the difference of spices? They have no food value and are used for adding flavor to food. Actually, spices, what we do, we are getting from the plants, but it is only we are adding flavor. We don't eat chili alone, correct? We don't eat salt alone. We don't eat cardamom, ginger alone. That will only give the flavor to the food. So that is the speciality of the spices. Okay, so you can write the heading. Today's date. Today date is 18. All of you write.
Ma'am.
Yes. Write 8 in your lecture note. In your lecture note, write the heading 180621 and you write the heading spices.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes.
we want to write in paper.
No, not in paper, in your note. You have a lecture note with you, no?
Ma'am.
Where we write the points, that one. Write in your notebook which you are having now. I told you, you should keep a note with you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. I'll tell you what to write.
Ma'am, you will send it in the WhatsApp notes.
No, this will not set in the WhatsApp. You have to write it now.
Ma'am, you will send the notes in the rough book.
This should be in the rough book. This should be in the rough book. Not on the ruled sheets. This should be in the rough book.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Ma'am, the cumin seeds and the mustard all are included in spices.
No, yes. No, mustard is not a spice. It is a seed. It is a seed.
Mustard seed.
Mustard seed. And we make oil also, mustard oil. It's very good for the health. Usually, the people in North India, they have a mustard field. They usually use mustard oil in their cooking. Yeah. Those who finish, they have no food value and are used for adding flavor to food. Now, after that, you will only write this. Pepper, example. You write EG. After writing this, which I marked, after below that in your notebook, you write EG. EG stands for example. Example, what are the things you will write? Pepper, cardamom. Cardamom means elakaya. You know in Malayalam. Pepper, kurumulagu. Cardamom, ginger. Ginger, you know what we use. Turmeric is the powder.
Inji.
Yeah. Then cloves. After writing turmeric, you will write this. Cloves. CLOVES. You know the clove, no? That one.
Yes, ma'am.
Grambu, we call it grambu. Saffron. Saffron. Also turmeric powder. Fennel. Fennel is big jeera. Big jeera. You have two types of jeeras. Big jeera and small jeera. Yeah, big jeera we put in the masalas and as well as appams and some other things. Other one is cumin. Cumin we make water, jeera powder, then jeera rice. For jeera rice we will use the small jeera. Small jeera. Cumin is small jeera. Fennel is the big jeera. Big jeera we will use for so many making snacks also. Cumin we uses to make jeera rice. And also we drink the jeera water. And we also use some curry, pulisheri, elisheri, like that. So many vegetables. Onam sadhya, we use a lot of cumin in all the food, like a pulisheri, elisheri. We have so many onam sadhya, no? So that is why small jeera. Coriander, you know.
Coriander leaf.
Dhania powder. Yeah, coriander leaf and black pepper. Yeah, that is what. So we use coriander seeds. Then and black pepper. Pepper two types, white pepper and black pepper. In Kerala, we usually use black pepper. But in abroad they use white pepper. Okay. So black pepper is very, very chilly. It has a pungent state. But white pepper, actually what these Europeans do, they will eat raw vegetables, you know, when the salad, lettuce and all. Lettuce, they put mayonnaise, then they will put the, the sausage. Abroad, you will get sausage.
Yes,
Then burger, all these things, they just put it raw, that white powder. It may not have, little bit. It's a white pepper. So restaurant people and all, they used to use in Chinese dish, Thailand dish and all. They don't eat chili like us. Especially we Indians eat lot of chili, but other countries, European countries,
they don't like chili, ma'am.
ah,
Ma'am, Arabi.
Arabs, Gulf and all, they don't use much
Ma'am,
chili.
finished.
Okay, so these are the only exam we have to write. Write the first one. Afterwards, what I marked: pepper, cardamom, ginger, turmeric, cloves, saffron, fennel, cumin, coriander, and black pepper. So this is a special type of food item what we get from the plants. We don't eat like that. It is what is the use of the spices? It only add flavor or make the food tasty. Okay. So I hope everyone completed.
Ma'am, we will put
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
finished.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Who is not completed? Why I am making it to write in during the class time? The reason is that when you are in the keeping in the mobile, sometimes you don't feel like writing because everything is the mobile, no? And you will forget to write. You don't get the speed. So once you come to 10th standard and you have to write board exam and all. So you will not get the speed. That is why nowadays, because of online classes, we are not using the pens and everything. Everyone is sitting and listening, no? So that's not good, no? Our hand should get some exercise. And not only that, whatever I am giving you in the
Finished, ma'am.
in the class note, some of the answers may not be there in the question answers. Question answers only textbook exercise. Okay, so some of these points are not there. These points will help you to study for your MCQ exam.
Finished, ma'am.
So
Finished.
instead of reading the textbook, you can study my lecture notes in order to get the MCQ answers. I can ask you like that. Name a spice. Maybe I may give you like that. Like that. Dal. Pepper. Apple.
Cardamom.
Only this much I give you. Then I told you, choose the correct spice. So which one you will choose?
And pepper.
Pepper. So
Pepper.
yeah. So for
Pepper.
this, yes. For this only, I wanted you to write on the notes so that you can study my notes and you can prepare for your exam. Correct? Next type of food which is special for us, sprouts. Write the heading sprout. S-P-R-O-U-T. Sprouts. Sprouts, nothing else. All the pulses which we soak and keep. Okay. You soak in night.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So that is sprout. I'll tell you what to write. You only write sprouts. Only
Okay, ma'am.
heading you write. So today, second point, what we are learning is about sprouts. Anubama, can you mute it, Anubama? Irene, can you mute it? Because I think someone's house TV is on, I think. I don't know whose some sound can
Ma'am,
hear.
my house there is no
No one. No one. Only you are there.
No, ma'am. Only my sister, and she's attending.
Oh, okay. Maybe her class.
No, ma'am, she is in another room.
Okay, fine. Okay. So sprouts means, can you see the picture? Yeah. Sprouts means the same thing. Moong, dal, chana. Okay. All these are what we do. Night we will soak. We will soak in night, and the morning what you do? You remove the water and then you put all these sprouts in a cloth and tie and keep. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
One day you will soak full.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sometimes your mother, raw, without cooking. Sometimes a mother will do the sprouted seeds.
Ma'am, my father will do.
Why you know? This sprouted seeds, if you eat, it is very nutritious. Yeah. So moong dal, that is our green peas. Chana, everything you soak and put it in the water, and early morning remove the water, wash it, and then tie in a clean cloth. Tie in a clean cloth and keep it for next day. By evening, when you open that cloth, you will see all
Cotton.
this seed has got the new plant, like that small mold will come.
Ma'am, I have drawn
Structure. White
Ah.
structure.
Yes, a white like structure. Okay, so
Sprout.
if you take a white like structure and you go put it in the mud, it will grow. So this is how the seeds are growing actually. But here you can have that early morning before you have something, brush your teeth, and if you eat 1 tablespoon of these sprouts raw like this, it is very nutritious, it is very soft, and it is very nutritious. And sometimes some mothers will put a coconut and they'll make a curry out of this sprouted seeds. So this is sprouts, and you are going to have an activity today. Today you have an homework. Okay, what
Okay,
you
ma'am.
do, ask your mother, get some chana.
Okay, ma'am.
2-3 spoon of chana.
Ma'am, I tried it.
Moong dal, that green color, and you soak tonight in a small tumbler. Okay, glass tumbler or any tumbler, you soak it. Maybe 2-3 tablespoons is enough. Then afterwards, what you do? Tomorrow morning, you wash that and remove. You do by yourself, not your mother. Okay, ask your
Okay,
mother.
ma'am.
Ask
Okay.
your mother. Get 2 tablespoons of chana and 2 tablespoons of moong dal, green dal. Okay, cherubayar we will call it in Malayalam. Okay, green color. Both put it in the water in a tumbler, and early morning you remove that water, tie in a neat cloth that you ask your mother to give you a small cotton cloth and keep it, tie and keep it. Then evening or next day, that is today Friday. Okay, then today you will soak it in the night. Morning you will tie it in the cloth, and by
Okay, ma'am.
evening you open and see. By evening, by 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, you just open it and see, and check that whether it has grown. Clear? So
Okay,
this is
ma'am.
an activity for you to
ma'am.
do.
Ma'am, first we will soak in the water and
Yes, it's a homework for today. Soak in the water first. Today night you put in the water. Tomorrow morning, wash it and remove that water. After that, you take this soaked seed in a cloth, small cloth, cotton cloth. It should be cotton, not be polyester. Cotton cloth, and tie it. Tie it and keep it. And tomorrow by evening, by night 8 o'clock or something, you open that cloth. You will able to see this sprouted seeds over there. You can see a white like structure. Yeah? Afterwards, you can have it. No problem. Even you have it, it's up to you. Okay? It's very thin.
ma'am,
Yes? Yes?
Also, we can add some spices. Get a
Yes,
tasty
you can add spices. You can cook it. Cook again that. Put it some little
ma'am, I
chili.
have done.
Yes. Yeah, some of you have done. Some who did not do, you can do it. That's for activity and homework for today. Clear? Yes. So sprouted seeds are.
Ma'am,
So
I
what?
have done.
Yeah. So what you will write? You will write this one. Sprouted seeds are very nutritious. Only this much you write. Sprouted seeds. What I have rounded. Don't write full slide. Sprouted seeds are very nutritious, that can be eaten raw as salads or cooked. So only these 2 sentences now you can copy. Sprouted seeds are very nutritious. Sprouted seeds are very nutritious. Sprouts can be eaten raw.
Excuse me, ma'am. My
Yes.
iPad is low battery.
Pardon? Someone is calling me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What happened, Amma? Amna, what happened?
ma'am, in my
I'm finished.
iPad is low battery.
Okay, okay. Fia, someone's asking me doubt? No problem, no? Anyone has doubt regarding this?
Ma'am, no doubt.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Najma, I have not seen you. Najma,
Ma'am,
Najma, can you on your video? I want to see you. So far, I have not seen you.
Ma'am,
Who is asking me doubt?
ma'am,
I can hear ma'am, but I can't hear afterwards
ma'am,
anything.
ma'am,
Okay. Let me see you. Who is calling me?
ma'am, the video is on.
Video is on, Najma. I don't think so. I can't see you, Najma. Okay. Maybe you have problem.
Ma'am, here's some network issues.
And this activity want to send to you.
No need. No need. I just want to see. That's it. Okay. Otherwise, you can take picture and send in my WhatsApp. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
My personal WhatsApp number, you know, na?
Ma'am,
So,
can we
don't
take
send in.
video
So
and-
don't send in the group. Send in the personal number.
Ma'am, can we
Can you share the
video
board?
and put in your personal WhatsApp?
Video, don't take video because it will be hung, no? Okay. Yeah,
No, ma'am.
because I have so many classes. So all the students will send the pictures. Now 6A also will send the pictures. Then it will be very difficult for